Hi, this is my setup for my bike packing, and I just got back from doing the river to Mississippi River to Ohio River gravel bike trail that Paul made up, and bike's still a little bit of muddy, but I'm getting it ready for the Great Divide. The things I've done to the Cutthroat is I put a larger cassette on the rear. Instead of the 11 by 34, it's now 11 by 40. Shimano does not recommend it, but a lot of people on YouTube said they've done it, had no problems. I've done it, just rode 130 miles on it through some grades up to 17%, and I haven't had problems. So that's basically the only modification in the seat. I'm using a Brooks B17 saddle, but the basic setup is it weighs 25 pounds for the bike, 8 pounds for the bags and cages and empty bottles. There's 17 pounds of gear on the bike, 8 pounds of water for a total of 58 pounds. It's fairly light setup, but I think that's all you really need. What I have is just a breakdown on the bags. There's a 20-liter bag in the front. It has all my sleep equipment in there. I have a Agnes copper spur tent in a 40-degree bag, but I also have a liner that'll get it down another 5-10 degrees, and you can wear heavier jackets. I just had a night of camping at 34 and I was okay. So that's my sleep system. My frame bag here, the top of this has all my food in it, and then the bottom is my electronics and poop system. And then I carry snacks and things I need, like my camera or phone might be in this top bag here. Gas tank, the other gas tank I turned on the edge to give me a room to sit. This has all my bike repair gear. It has 2 bottles of extra sealant, a tube, tire irons, multi-tools, chain breakers, and things like that. So this is all my bike repair in this container here. Then my rear, it's I think a 16-liter Ortlieb seat bag, and it expands out and contracts, and that has worked pretty good. Sometimes it bends a little in here. Sometimes I'll take my tent poles and put them in the bottom, and that creates that anything cage that'll carry 1.5-liter bottle. I also have a 32-ounce bottle here from Trek on the other fork tube, and have a 28-ounce bottle that's in my rack here, and then there's also a water bottle on the bottom. It's kind of a shame that you can't put a 28-ounce water bottle there. It'd be nice if they mounted this bottle down another 3 inches, and you'd probably be able to get a 28-ounce bottle at that location. So that's my water. It's 8 pounds of water, a little over a gallon. Now that I got the frame bags off, you can see the bike a little bit better. This extra bar on here, I forgot what they call it. It's fairly lightweight. I was hoping it would work. It tends to slide back. I probably need bigger washers in there, although I think I might go with a Salsa makes a cradle for the front. I might go with that to hold that more secure. I took my 4 main bags off the bike here, and we'll weigh them and then open them up, show you what's in them. The sleep system weighs 7 pounds even. The rear seat bag weighs 6.3 pounds. The frame bag weighs 6.7 pounds. And the fuel tank for my tools weighs 1.7 pounds. Next, my sleep pad from sea to summit. My tent, Big Agnes copper spur, 2-man. Sleeping bag, 40-degree sleeping bag by Kelly Cosmic Down. And let's see, I also have a lightweight raincoat in there. I have a pillow that I don't use. I normally use my stuffed sack for the sleeping bag and put some clothes in there, or a coat. And this came in really handy. This is a silk sleeping bag liner. It gives you another 5-10 degrees on your tent, or on your bag. So instead of a 40 degree, it's probably a 35, and then if you put some clothes on, wool socks, a hat, gloves, you're up down to about 30 degrees. Okay, my rear seat pack. This contains my clothes and medicines, shower supplies, and things like that. I have a heavier long sleeve jersey. I have my shower pass raincoat, Elite. That's a nice raincoat. I just unrolled my, got some bike shorts I could wear as pants, or I could sleep in them, give me that extra 5-10 degrees. I have a short sleeve jersey. I got my sleep towel, a long sleeve merino wool t-shirt. I have a short one too, but most of the time I'm wearing that, so it's not in there. Got an extra pair of shorts. I wear 2 of them. And I have a pair of jersey gloves just to sleep with and wear around camp. And then I have my medicines, toothbrush, soap, and miscellaneous creams and things like that. What else do I got in here? Oh, another pack towel. I normally don't take 2, but I did last week. So that's my clothes. If you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. And thanks for watching.